Welcome to a real-life day of eating keto. No fancy ingredients, no complicated recipes, just simple, high-protein meals that work for my busy life. Let's jump right in. Every good keto day starts with a good mindset, and for me, that means Pilates. It's my calm before the storm, a chance to wake up my body and prepare for the day ahead. Even just a few minutes make all the difference. After Pilates, it's time to switch gears. Getting ready is quick, but it's a small moment I take just for myself. And then it's full speed ahead, getting the little ones ready for daycare, while the oldest gets a quiet day at home. Once the little ones are off, it's back home to tackle the rest of my day, starting with breakfast. So here's the deal. My induction stovetop broke in December, and finding an electrician has been a journey. In the meantime, I've gotten creative. Waffle maker to the rescue, because I absolutely love eggs for breakfast. These chaffles are so easy. Eggs, shredded mozzarella, and a pinch of salt. Pair them with some ham, cheese, and a bit of yogurt, and you've got the perfect breakfast. And after breakfast, it's time for my first coffee of the day. I use regular milk. I know, not super keto, but it's what works for me. I'm adding 1 square of dark chocolate, and this little routine just makes mornings better. And before the day officially kicks off, I take 5 minutes to check my phone and see what's on the agenda. The morning coffee kicks in, and it's time to get some work done while the little one enjoys her downtime. And then there's this. The electrician is working on fixing my induction stovetop, and honestly, it's been a saga. This used to be the issue. Burnt parts and an outlet that didn't stand a chance, but hopefully it's all coming together now. So with the stovetop finally working, I'm switching up the plan and making chicken Alfredo. bacon for that smoky flavor. Then the chicken, cooked in butter and garlic. Splash of whipping cream, grated Parmesan, and it all comes together. I'd usually add spinach, but I'm out today, so no big deal. Served with fresh peppers on the side, this dish is simple, comforting, and keto friendly. Now it's time to pick up the little ones from daycare. The best part of my day is always seeing what mood they're in when we get back. They each have their own little world when we get back. A dinosaur invasion, a very official letter, and a mini ping pong match. It's chaotic, but it's us. A quick moment to catch up on some work with my second coffee of the day. Nothing fancy, just getting things done. A little hungry too, so I grabbed 2 leftover waffles from breakfast. It was just enough to hold me over. And that's a wrap on a simple keto day. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!